Yes, let us go for the next concept. Here it is one of the important concept. It is an ideal and a non-ideal solution. So last year we have studied ideal gas equation. So ideal gas, and which obeys Raoult's this Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law. So here we are having an ideal solution and non-ideal solution. So practically it is impossible to get an ideal solution, but it is very close to the ideal solution we are having. So what do you mean by ideal solution? So ideal solution is a solution which obeys Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. So ideal solution is which obeys Raoult's law and entire range of concentration. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು entire range of concentration, if it obeys Raoult's law, so that is called as a ideal solution. Okay, so the solution which obeys the Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration is known as a ideal solution. Okay, so what is Raoult's law? We know, okay, that is a P total equal to P01 plus P02 minus P01 into x2. Okay, so equation ಮಾಡಿದಿದಲ್ಲ, so that is nothing but a Raoult's law. Now let us take some example for this. Which solutions shows this behavior? Ideal behavior ಯಾವ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ? So practically ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ practically it is impossible, but very close to this we can see. It is a perfectly ideal solution is a rare, but some of the solution are nearly ideal behavior. Example ಯಾವುದು? Normal hexane and normal heptane, mixture of normal hexane ಮತ್ತು heptane ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುವಂಥ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ದೇ ಶೋಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಮೋಇಥೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋರೋಇಥೇನ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ಶೋಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ದ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ normal hexane, normal heptane, mixture of chloroethane, bromoethane, mixture of benzene and toluene. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ in ideal solution? So how you can say this shows the ideal behavior? So what are the characteristics or what are the conditions to show the ideal solution? So ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಎರಡು ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so either there is a rise in the temperature or rise in the volume, or decrease in the temperature, decrease in the volume. That is, we can say in thermodynamics is the enthalpy change. So that is a mixture. After mixing, if change in the enthalpy is equal to 0, so then that is a ideal solution. For ideal solution, delta mix H equal to 0. So delta H equal to 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ enthalpy change is there is no enthalpy change, so then that is called as a ideal solution. So normally when you take a water and if you add sulfuric acid, it becomes hot ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಫಿ ಐದರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ delta V mix. Delta mix V means a volume change is also, there is no volume change. Sometimes what happens, when you add two solutions, suppose 100 ml 100 ml ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 200 ml ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ, but it is not a 200 ml, it may be 199 ml or 198 ml or 201 ml. So that is a either increase or decrease. That is a here delta V mix is equal to 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ideal solution. So this is about the what do you mean by ideal solution. So what happens in this ideal solution? So ideal solution dalli enagutte, suppose if I take a binary solution is AB, A is a one component and B is a another component. When you add those two component, it forms a AB solution agutte. Then the intermolecular force of attraction between A and B and B are nearly equal to those between A and B. then the solution exhibit a ideal behavior. So what do you mean by this? Suppose ನಾನೀಗ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾಲ್ಯೂನ್ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್, ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಲ್ಯೂನ್ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ that between benzene and toluene, then it shows a ideal behavior, or it is a ideal solution, or that shows the ideal behavior. See here, if AB is a solution, then intermolecular force of attraction between A and A means benzene and benzene, or normal hexane and hexane, you have the same component, and another component B and B. Okay, that is a toluene ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಪ್ಟೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಪ್ಟೇನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದೋಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಇದು ಬಿ ಒಳಗಾಯಿತು, ಇದು ಎ ಒಳಗಾಯಿತು, ಇದು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಅ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ C6H6, intermolecular force of interaction between C6H6. So this is same as toluene C6H5CH3, C6H5CH3. So this molecular force of interaction is same as this molecular force of interaction, and the mixture of this, that is the mixture of a C6H6 benzene and a C6H5CH3 benzene toluene is same molecular force of interaction, that is A and A, molecular force of interaction between B and B, and molecular force of interaction between A and B is all are same, so they shows a exhibit a ideal behavior. So E conditions satisfy ಆದ್ರೆ they shows a ideal behavior, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is a non-ideal. So follow here, what do you mean by ideal solution? Ideal solution is a solution which obeys a Raoult's law over entire range of concentration. Some examples are normal hexane, mixture of normal hexane, normal heptane, chloroethane, bromoethane, benzene and toluene. And what the condition, or what are the properties? So ideal solution is having a enthalpy change after mixing is equal to 0, and change in volume after mixing is also equal to 0. The molecular force of interactions are same, that is a force of interaction, molecular force of interaction between AA, BB and AB are same, so they shows a ideal behavior. Non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution means a solution which does not obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. Ideal solution obeys Raoult's law entire range of concentration. Non-ideal solution does not obey Raoult's law over entire range of concentration. Okay. A solution which does not obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration is known as a non-ideal solution. So example, or why it happens here. So in this condition we are having a delta enthalpy mixing, change in the enthalpy after mixing is not equal to 0. Okay, it may be increase agbodu, decrease agbodu, we don't know. Okay, so that is a not equal to 0, so it does not remain same, the temperature, it will increase or decrease. Similarly, delta mix V is not equal to 0, so that is a change in volume is after mixing is not equal to 0, means there is either a increase in volume or a decrease in volume. So this is the difference. Normally they will ask, write the difference between a ideal and non-ideal solution. Ideal solution obeys a Raoult's law over entire range, this is important, entire range of concentration. Here a non-ideal solution does not obey the Raoult's law entire range of concentration. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ H is not equal to 0, delta mix V is not equal to 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ideal solution ದಲ್ಲಿ it is a mixing. The vapor pressure of non-ideal solution is either higher or lower than the predicted by Raoult's law. So vapor pressure, so Raoult's law is nothing but we know Raoult's law, P total equal to P naught 1 plus P naught 2 minus P naught 1 into X2. So this is a concept. So eitherly, so if when you mix it practically, whether you are getting the same answer or not. So based on that, that is the vapor pressure of non-ideal solution is either higher or lower than that predicted by Raoult's law. So Raoult's law ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮದು vapor pressure total ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ practically it may be either higher side or it may be lower side. So such solutions are known as a non-ideal solution. And depending upon this higher or lower, further we are taking these non-ideal solution showing a positive deviation and a negative deviation. Okay. So non-ideal solution dalli ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು which shows a positive deviation and which shows a negative deviation. Okay. Non-ideal solution showing a positive deviation. So positive deviation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ when vapor pressure of solution is more than the Raoult's law. So vapor pressure, total vapor pressure is a Raoult's law ನಮಗೇನಿತ್ತು P total equal to, when you substitute the value of P01 plus P02 minus P01 into X2. So if you substitute the values and find this value, if this value is less and the vapor pressure of solution is more idaga, so they shows a positive deviation. Why? What is the reason for this? AB interaction is weaker than those between AA and BB. So interaction, molecular force of interaction between A and B is weaker, kadme irtade, compared to what? Between themselves, either one component or second component. Example yavudakke? Mixture of ethanol and acetone. So mixture of acetone and carbon disulfide. So what happens here? Give reason anta kelabodhu ononsala, or they will give this mixture of ethanol and acetone shows a positive deviation. Why? Give reason. See here what happens when you take here, this is a this is a B example dalli. So molecular force of interaction, AB interaction is weaker, interaction kadime irtade, weaker than those between ethanol itself or acetone itself. Okay. Because for example in this case in ethanol ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ethanol ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಸೊ ethanol molecules ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ದಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಥೆನಾಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಇವಾಪರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಪಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಇವಾಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಥೆನಾಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವಾಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್, ದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ is broken and molecules of ethanol may escape. That is, a vapor pressure increases, vapors or formation of vapors is more and vapor pressure increases. Okay, so now if you want to draw this graph for this type of a solution, that is showing a positive deviation. So vapor pressure against mole fraction. So now Raoult's law ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. This is the graph. So mole fraction of a first component. Here it is a 100% mole first component ಇರೋದು. ನಾವು total vapor pressure ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್, and this is a 0. Okay, for example ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಇಥೆನಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, this is ಇಥೆನಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಸಿಟೋನ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ವೇರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಥೆನಾಲ್ 0 ಇದೆ, ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ 100% ಇದೆ. Now this is as per the Raoult's law ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. But what happens here in case of a positive deviation? So this shows some positive deviation. So positive ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. Actual dotted line ಇದೆ, that is actual as per theoretical. But this is practically what we are observing. And this is also positive, little more, and this is a p total we have mentioned. Here what happens in this positive deviation, that is also increases. So total vapor pressure is a more when compared to the practical. So this is the graph that is a for a positive deviation. Okay. So normally examples anna keltare athwa give reason antnu kelbodu. So positive deviation means when the vapor pressure is more than the vapor pressure as per the Raoult's law. Okay. Now let us go for the next year. Non-ideal solution showing a negative deviation. Non-ideal solution showing a negative deviation. What happens here in this case? AB interaction is more stronger than those between a AA or BB, which leads to decrease in the total vapor pressure. So AB interaction is more stronger, and after mixing ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So they will held together with a stronger molecular force of interaction compared to individual. So AA ಮತ್ತು BB ದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ molecular force of interaction ಗಿಂತ A ಮತ್ತು B ದಲ್ಲಿ molecular force of interaction ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So here also we can give with the example of a hydrogen bonding only. Example. So what are the example for this? That is phenol and aniline. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅನಿಲಿನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, and hydrogen ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So there is a hydrogen bonding after mixing. So therefore they become strong. Or one more example is acetone and chloroform, or chloroform and benzene. So these are some example for a that is a non-ideal solution showing a negative deviation. So what happens here in this case? So for example, if I take acetone and chloroform, this is a acetone ide, idu chloroform CHCl3. When you mix it, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ A and B, this is A ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು B. But when you mix it, there exists a hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bond ಬಂದಾಗಾಯ್ತು, AB interaction is more stronger than between themselves. So therefore what happens here? So there is a vapors are less, it shows a negative. P total becomes a less agata. So it shows a negative deviation. So in this case, if you draw the graph, again agate graph dalli, here you are going to get this as per the Raoult's law, dotted line torsiddo. So but when you practically if you observe, so there is a vapor pressure decreases. This is the vapor pressure curve. This is mole fraction. As you increase the mole fraction, vapor pressure ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here also what happens? Here also it decreases. And B total, this is as per the theory, that is a substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. But practically what you are getting is a less. So this is a graph for a vapor pressure against a mole fraction for a negative deviation. Okay. So one more concept we are coming across here is a azeotropes. So what do you mean by azeotropes? A binary solution having same composition in a liquid and a vapor phase. Liquid phase dalli ಏನು composition ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದರದು percentage of mixing ಇರುವಂತಹ number of moles or mole fractions is same as a vapor phase. Vapor phase and liquid phase dalli the composition is same at a and boils at a constant temperature. So that is known as a azeotropes. Oh, azeotropes are boils at a constant temperature, variation ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುವೇಷನ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರೇಂಜಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ such a compositions or such a binary solutions are known as a azeotropes, having the same composition in liquid and a vapor phase and boils at a constant temperature. So therefore azeotropes mixtures are very difficult to separate them. So for example rectified spirit, so ಅದನ್ನು 100% ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ತ್ರಾಸಾಗೋದು. ಇಟ್ ವೆ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ such compounds or such solutions are known as azeotropes. A binary solutions having a same composition in liquid and a vapor phase. liquid phase and vapor phase ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ and boils at a constant temperature, so such a solutions are known as azeotropes. Okay. So liquid phase, and above this you are having a vapor phase. The composition of this and the composition in this are same. That is what is meaning of azeotrope. A binary solution having the same composition in liquid. Here it is in liquid, here it is in the vapor phase. Both the composition of the components A and B ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ it boils at a constant temperature ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ. So therefore azeotropes boils at a constant temperature. Again here we are going to get two types of azeotropes. One is a minimum boiling azeotropes and a maximum boiling azeotrope. The components are not separated by fractional distillation. Azeotropes we cannot separate by fractional distillation. Next is a minimum boiling azeotropes. The solution which shows a large positive deviation from Raoult's law at a specific composition. So we know positive deviation ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So the solution which shows a large positive deviation from Raoult's law at a specific composition, so they shows a minimum boiling azeotropes. Minimum boiling azeotropes ಗೆ positive deviation ಇದೆ. Minimum positive deviation. Okay. So example, that is a rectified spirit, ethanol, 95% of ethanol or a rectified spirit is an example for this. Okay. So 95% ethanol dalli 5% water content ಇರ್ತದೆ. So 95% ethanol ಆಯಿತು. So ಆ 5% ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. We cannot separate by fractional distillation. So because of the composition in the liquid phase and vapor phase are same. So therefore we cannot separate them. So this is a minimum boiling azeotrope. Similarly, maximum boiling azeotrope ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The solution which shows a large negative deviation from Raoult's law at a specific composition. So that is nothing but a maximum boiling azeotrope. So maximum boiling azeotrope, the solution which shows large negative deviation from Raoult's law at a specific composition. Example is a 68% of nitric acid andre ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 32% ಏನಾಯಿತು ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬೈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್. ವಾಟರ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 100% ನೈಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ದಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. So the boiling point of this is found to be 393.5 Kelvin. So this is about the azeotropes. So azeotropes means what? Then what are the two types of azeotropes? Minimum boiling azeotropes and maximum boiling azeotropes. So in this session we have discussed about ideal solution, non-ideal solution. What are the characteristics of ideal solution, non-ideal solution? Then negative deviation, positive deviation for non-ideal solution with examples and explanation. Then what is azeotropes? Okay.